Congratulations to beautiful achievement of one and only. The real-time box office of the movie One and Only broke 800 million. The 800 million welfare is here, and the exclamation mark is enthusiastically shoot, and One and Only offer it with both hands.
呀，被我帅到了吧？
So fantastic video of One and Only, and also congratulations to all One and Only crew to achieve their movie goal. And the other video of One and Only that we saw. Another behind the scene of One and Only that released on One and Only Weibo's account. I am interested to the Monkey King structure in this video with Ching-Su. Shooting this clip is leaking. Monkey King actor Lu Shao Lingtong, Zhang Zhelai invite you to watch the movie One and Only. So night of they promote and sang to actor Lu Xiaotingtong, Zhang Zhelai. He also watching this movie of One and Only and invite everyone to watch too. Okay, I have a new update of our YIZHAN with animal. While we are talking about animal, we will think about our YIZHAN's pet. Our second pet is Jimung, his lovely cat, and know together that he has a pet, but for our Yibu pets, no information clear about his pet. As we know, they love animals, and in currently of their favorite in the same of love animal. Rumors said they have a pet together for themselves. Outside a cat, Jimung, they also feed the dog, not sure about the dog's name, but we used to sell it for their shooting. It's such a lovely puppy. This rumor should be in real and can be true, because our YIZHAN also used to say he also loved a puppy. And from that day on, we also saw the bond necklace is always appear with our Yibu, and emoji on his update also has the dog or frog.
音梗刷屏了。
我的抖音基本上都是一些小猫小狗，然后给我推送的。我之前我觉得那个很有意思，就是五官的那个游戏，还挺有意思。